The half-day program at South Texas ISD is a career and technology half-day program for students who are receiving special education services to come and participate with us half a day and potentially obtain industry-based certification. So students are able to come and participate with us half a day, and then they go back to their home campus the other part of the half day. So it's a true partnership where we are providing services from both campuses to our students.
Our half-day program offers different pathways for our students at the high school level, starting from 9th to 12th grade. Some of the pathways that we offer are medical pathways at our health professions and medical professions high schools. We also offer the automotive and welding pathways at our Science Academy campus, and we offer the culinary and the law enforcement pathways at our World Scholars campus.
Students also have the opportunity to participate in our student organizations, such as HOSA's Health Occupation Students of America or Skills USA. We've had a lot of success with our students competing in these student organizations where they advance to area, state, and then even the international level.
The South Texas ISD half-day program is free for those districts that partner with us within our Tri-County area. We offer free transportation, and we also offer special education services at all 4 of our high schools as defined by their art committees at their home district. So we really want to encourage you to join our half-day program, become one of our partners. We want to make sure that we can support our community and we can help support all of our students across our Tri-County area.